Namaste everyone. I have already discussed about puja and meditation in video number 88. Here I am extending few more my thoughts on this topic. For few people, puja is the part of their life. They do regularly, few don't do, few people do intentionally and few people do unintentionally. Since childhood, we believe in Almighty God and we do worship at home and go temples. Gradually, it becomes habit and part of your life. If you will not do, then will think something missing in your daily routine work. As knowledge increases, we do worship in planned and more organized way. In few family, children are aware of both puja and meditation, where parents and other family members are involved in meditation. As in my family, my children are aware of meditation because we both husband and wife are practicing meditation. Few families are not aware of these things in detail. Just take example of one lady who is doing household activities since childhood in young age, and after marriage she is taking care of their children from that time where home and kitchen appliances were not using at home. They do all work manually. Just think about the pressure on that lady who is doing all work. She is doing puja and all. Puja is also a short and long process depending on the person what they are following. Few person takes long time to complete their puja and few take 5 or 10 minutes. As age increases, gradually body tired, person is unable to fulfill all responsibilities. At that time, meditation is very useful. You need to sit silently and practice meditation in spite of doing long procedure of puja. I am sharing these thoughts here because generally I observed when I talk about meditation to others, they usually not very much interested. They prefer to do puja. Meditation is the process in which persons sit at peaceful and clean place and start to meditate. Meditation in which we inhibit our thought process. Meditation can be with commentary or without commentary. Just practice to sit in silence. For beginners, meditation with commentary will be useful. During meditation, they can direct their mind on commentary that is designed by the experienced teacher or guru. Meditation is helpful in refinement of your thoughts that will be reflect in your karma. As you will do or think anything wrong, your inner voice will stop you, remind you what's wrong, what's right. Our actual karma starts from thought level. Repeated thoughts becomes reality. So take care first on thought level. Never stop any process. Always replace with good and correct thought that will result into right word and right karma. भक्ति योग में हम ईश्वर की पूजा से उनसे जुड़ते हैं और ध्यान योग में हम ईश्वर का ध्यान करते हैं. मेडिटेशन और ध्यान ये हमें एक स्टेज पर यह बताता है कि हम मंदिर जिस ईश्वर को खोजते हैं, प्रातः और संध्या काल ईश्वर की उपासना करते हैं. ईश्वर एक है और वह हमारे अंदर है. फाइंड गॉड विद इन योर सेल्फ. वन डे यू विल हैव यूनियन विद गॉड एंड वन विद ऑल. ध्यान के अभ्यास के द्वारा हम ईश्वर को महसूस कर सकते हैं. पूजा कैन बी शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग. मेडिटेशन कैन आल्सो बी लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट. It depends upon the connectivity of the person for how much time he was connected to God. That will determine your progress or evolution of the soul. Generally, I observed in school, in lab, in offices, too much gossip or talk. Few work silently, whether it is kitchen or any place. Otherwise, females bug every time. काम भी करते जा रहे हैं और बातें भी. Work is also meditation. During any work you can meditate. Any work with focus and concentration is meditation that increases your work efficiency. Usually persons are wasting their energy. Sitting posture is also very important for meditation that should be developed from childhood. आज के ज़माने में तो यदि आप चुपचाप सीधे बैठे रहेंगे तो आपका मजाक उड़ेगा. Nowadays children are not in habit of sitting properly during study and other टाइम. हमेशा टेढ़े मेढ़े रहते हैं. एक समय था कि हम अपने टीचर के सामने सीधे खड़े रहते थे. जैसे ही टीचर को देखा सिर झुकाकर नमस्ते किया करते थे. नाउ इन अ मॉडर्न एज हाय और हेलो होता है टीचर्स के साथ. फ्रेंडली बिहेवियर इज़ गुड बट डिसिप्लिन शुड बी देयर. हमें अपना जीवन अच्छे से जीना है. वी कैन नॉट सिंग होल डे, वी कैन नॉट स्टडी होल डे, वी कैन नॉट डू पूजा एंड मेडिटेशन होल डे, वी cannot do chanting whole day. We can schedule whole day into various activities. Meditation and spiritual teachings teaches us to do right karma. God has given us a wonderful life. Follow right thoughts, right words, and right actions. That's it. Thank you very much.